New headphones from Audio-Technica? Let's find out what's inside. Dave Taylor here with this very mysterious packaging from Audio-Technica. This is the Audio-Technica ATH-WP900 over-ear headphones. And unlike just about every other package I've ever gotten from the company, this has no information about what these headphones actually look like. It sort of builds up this suspense. The only information we have is this color bar along the bottom, which is certainly interesting. So let's open it up. And as we open the package, let me tell you just a little bit about it. So these headphones feature, I'm going to just put this down on the side here. These headphones feature 53mm drivers with diamond-like coating or DLC diaphragms, which is supposed to give you bright, crisp, and very accurate highs, and 5 to 50,000 hertz frequency response at 100 decibels a milliwatt sensitivity. So really nice specs. Open it up and here's what's inside. Not much. Well, let's open this up and okay, well, here are the headphones. As you can see, they are beautiful. This is a flame maple, and it's actually made by Japanese guitar maker Fujigen. And this is a very specific kind of maple used a lot for instruments too, because it has very specific characteristics. It's very stiff and very rigid, which is great for audio. So let's go ahead and take these out of this case, and oh yeah, these are some very nice looking headphones. Let's close the box. I don't think there's anything else in here other than this very nice presentation, but these are pretty premium headphones. You would expect a nice presentation. So I will again put this down by the side. So we still have this mysterious package, whatever's in here, and these headphones. Now, the headphones expand and turn, so nice and easy. They have marks on them for left and right, which I really appreciate. And then they are very light, very flexible. They actually feature synthetic leather, so those of you that are not wanting any animals to be harmed in the making of your audio gear, these cover that. And there is no question you're going to get comments from people when they see these headphones. These are absolutely gorgeous. I'll just put them on and very, very comfortable. These are, I mean, I barely am aware I have any headphones on, other than the fact that obviously I can't hear quite as well, but they're very, very light. So, question is, all right, well, what about the sound? But before we even get near that, and notice they fold flat, let's just see what's in here. Now, this package contains, let's see, it comes with, so this is like a transport package, because then it comes with this actual soft case for carrying your headphones, and I'm sure in here is yet more, because what we don't have is we don't have any wires. So let's get this out. Here we go. So I'm going to put the case over here, and then it comes I even have an unpacking tool that it turns out I didn't need, so thank you Audio-Technica for not making me do that. Let's see, so then there's the user manual in undoubtedly half a dozen languages. There is a how to dispose of old electrical and electronic equipment. I am not planning on disposing of these. I am planning on actually enjoying them. And there are 2 different cables. This is a really interesting choice that they made here. Each of these is a 1.2 meter, about 4-foot cable, and they use the Audio-Technica, these are the A2DC coax connections. So it's a custom connection that fits on each of the earpieces. And now you have this cable, and one of them features a 3.5mm end, and then the other one is exactly the same cable, except it has that 1/4 inch on it. So what they haven't done is they haven't included one of those ubiquitous adapters. Instead, they've said, we're going to send you 2 cables, and you just pick the one that's right for your application. So here's the one that I'll be using with my 3.5mm jack, and you know, that 4-foot cable, that's a very nice length. It's not coiled or anything. I kind of like when they're coiled, but it's good either way. And that's what we have. It's a double wire cable, so everything feels very premium. This is a very nicely designed headphone, and once the connector's in, this is absolutely flush. And really not much more I can tell you about them other than the price, and I can't tell you what they sound like because I'm not going to audition them right now. I'm going to give them a week or two of listening, and then I'll come back and do a full review, but I have a suspicion they're going to sound really nice. So, how much are they? Well, I'm glad you asked, but before we get there, I'm going to ask, give me some feedback. Give me a thumbs up if you appreciate this video. Leave me a comment if you wish I would have mentioned something else about the specs or design. I will give you this close-up so you can again enjoy this beautiful maple finish. Just really some of the prettiest headphones I've ever seen. And then if you want to subscribe to my channel, I absolutely encourage you to go ahead and do so, and I appreciate it. All right, these, let me turn them this way. These are the Audio-Technica ATH-WP900 over-ear headphones, and they are $650 at audiotechnica.com. And I haven't heard them yet, but I am confident that they're going to sound fantastic. And I know that they are already very comfortable and absolutely beautiful in their finish and design. So, get back to you with that full review, and in the meantime, I'm going to go and plug in something to listen to, which means I'll have to catch you in my next video.